Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can set minimum age limits in Instagram app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching this video. And let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app. Next, go to your page. And then you'll need to switch to the professional account, because you'll only be able to set age limits from the professional account. In order to do this, click on the three bars in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. And from here, scroll down and find the Account Types and Tools section. Now you'll need to switch to Professional account. And from there, just confirm all the actions. Now you'll just need to choose what you're going to carry in your professional account, so to speak. Next. And now you have created a professional account. This can be easily identified by the fact that you have this gray window with the words Professional panel. Next. You will need to, in order to set the age limit, also click on the three bars. Next, Settings and Privacy. And here, please scroll down. And here you should be able to find a setting called Tools and Controls. Click on it. Here you will find the minimum age. And then on the next page, you can easily set that age. So, click in front of the word Default. And here you will be able to choose the minimum age of the viewers of your content. You can set, for example, 18 years old, or you can set it to 25 years old and so on, as much as you like. Then you can also choose the minimum age for any particular country. Click Also Add in front of the country. Here you can choose absolutely any country. And after that, also select the age. Type it in. And if you need more than one country, then further press Add. Then also select the country yourself and write the age. And now, to save all these changes, you just need to click Ready. In this way, friends, you can easily save the minimum age limit. This is the way you will be able to set minimum age restrictions on Instagram. I really hope these videos helped you and were helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and until new meetings.